I think one of the biggest hurdles is just limiting beliefs. You don't think that your business or product is big enough for a sales funnel, for a click funnels, and I want you to think bigger because you are, and they are very powerful tools. I love the analogy where you were saying, George, like you don't have a salesperson who walks you in because somebody finds you online, right? So what is that process of that salesperson, i.e. you, your website, your sales funnel, walking them through that introductory into a store? Think about it, especially ladies, you walk into the store, you're like, okay, I'm waiting for you to greet me. Okay, greet me. Cool. All right, now see what I need, right? So you have to figure out how to do that on your landing page.
Correct. So Jacqueline, give them a tool. What's something you love in the process of building on your online presence and your online business?
You know what's really sexy? Texting.
Texting?
Yeah.
Hey, I know. I peeped that. I peeped yo. I see what you do with your Twitter profile. You getting them phone numbers, Queen. I see it.
Hey, y'all hit me up. Girl. Okay.
Give me a call. Yeah.
The texting is just a really easy way to keep people engaged. 93% of text messages are open within 3 minutes.
That's a fact.
Versus I don't even know what the numbers for emails are. It's like what?
20%. You lucky.
Yeah, 20. You got a strong email list if you got 20%. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like under 20% for like 48 hours or something like that. So texting is an amazing tool, and I would encourage you guys to use it in your business.